Hey there, fellow food lovers. Welcome back to our channel. We're taking a dive into the world of Chinese cuisine. Specifically, we'll be exploring the tantalizing dish known as Chinese steamed crab. Get ready to discover some lesser-known facts about this mouth-watering delicacy. Chinese steamed crab is a culinary gem that showcases the delicate flavors of fresh crab meat. But did you know that this dish holds some fascinating secrets? Let's uncover them together. Fact 1. The art of steaming crabs has been a long-standing tradition in Chinese culinary culture, dating back thousands of years. It is believed that steaming allows the natural sweetness and succulence of the crab meat to shine through without overpowering it with heavy seasonings. This ancient technique highlights the Chinese philosophy of allowing the primary ingredients to speak for themselves, resulting in a truly exquisite dining experience. Fact 2. Chinese steamed crab is often prepared using female crabs, specifically those in their roe-bearing stage. The roe, also known as crab coral, adds a rich and velvety texture to the dish, elevating the flavor profile to a whole new level. This delicacy showcases the Chinese appreciation for the finest details, as the inclusion of crab roe enhances the overall taste and indulgence of the dish. Fact 3. One fascinating aspect of Chinese steamed crab is the pairing of the crab meat with fragrant ingredients such as ginger, scallions, and Shaoxing wine. These additions infuse the dish with subtle yet distinct flavors, enhancing the natural sweetness of the crab. The use of these aromatic ingredients demonstrates the Chinese philosophy of balance and harmony in culinary creations, resulting in a steamed crab dish that is both fragrant and delectable. Fact 4. In Chinese culture, the act of eating steamed crab is considered a communal experience. It's common for family and friends to gather around a steaming platter of crabs, cracking them open and enjoying the succulent meat together. This communal dining tradition fosters a sense of togetherness and celebration, making the experience of eating steamed crab not just about the food but also about the connections and shared moments. There you have it, folks, some of the most unknown facts about Chinese steamed crab. It's remarkable how a simple dish can carry such rich history, cultural significance, and exquisite flavors. If you haven't had the chance to try it, I highly recommend indulging in this delightful seafood delicacy. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting culinary adventures. Until next time, happy cooking and crab feasting.